It's all systems go for Thursday's repeat presidential election after the exercise appeared to have surmounted legal hurdles that had threatened to scuttle the process. Just hours to the poll, a case at the Supreme Court had presented what legal experts had opined as the last straw to the poll that has divided public opinion. And just minutes after 10 a.m. Wednesday, Chief Justice and Supreme Court President David Maraga would drop the unexpected news that the hearing of the case was not possible due to a quorum hitch. Only Maraga and Judge Isaac Lenaola were available to hear the case.
The two of us cannot form a quorum under Article 163(2) of the Constitution. This matter cannot therefore be heard this morning. It's accordingly adjourned to a date to be taken in the registry.
Judges Njoki Ndungu, Jackton Ojwang and Smoking Wanjala were reported to be away, while Judge Mohammed Ibrahim is said to be indisposed. Lady Justice Philomena Mwilu is said to have been absent to attend to an incident in which her bodyguard was attacked by unknown gunmen.
Following the events of last night, which are in the public domain, the Honorable, the Deputy Chief Justice and the Deputy President of the court is not in a position to come to court.
3 voters had moved to court Tuesday seeking the postponement of Thursday's poll, arguing that IEBC was yet to rectify anomalies that resulted in the nullification of the poll. The developments at the highest court in the land attracting condemnation from NASA's legal team, led by James Orengo.
The lack of quorum on the part of the Supreme Court is not by coincidence or is not by accident. The gazettement of the 25th of October as a public holiday was part of the design to make sure that these proceedings would not take place. But when the Chief Justice made the order that the proceedings will continue anyway, there was an attempt on the life of the Deputy Chief Justice. And if you don't believe me that it was an attempt on his life, she was not here this morning. The 2 judges, the dissenting judges in the petition that was earlier had in relation to the presidential elections, the 2 of them were not available. So all in all, there is an attempt to undermine the authority of the institutions of government, including independent institutions like the Electoral Commission and the Supreme Court.
This even as IEBC Chair Wafula Chebukati said that Thursday presidential election will go ahead.
Based on assurances given to this commission by the relevant authorities and security agencies, based on the progress that has been made in the commission, the elections are scheduled, will go on tomorrow, the 26th of October, 2017.
Chebukati is urging voters to turn out in large numbers to exercise their democratic right.
All polling stations will open tomorrow at 6 a.m. for Kenyans to exercise their democratic right. The Commission thanks you for your patience as we prepare for this fresh presidential election, and would like to urge you to wake up early in the morning, present yourselves at your respective polling stations, and vote for your preferred presidential candidate.
For Channel 1 News Hour, I'm Emily K. Badi.